Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! And for today's video, we're here at Boracay. We're staying at Ferries and Blue Water Resort in Station 1. A quick story time. Nakadating kami dito ng 6 p.m. We're in supposed to be 4 p.m. Arrive. But unfortunately, yung airplane hindi agad dumating. So, na-delay ng konti lang naman yung flight. So, yun. Time check, it's already 8:49 in the evening. Anong ganap? So, kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner sa Balay Inasal sa Station B. So, habang kumakain kami, yung kasama ko, natatae. So, supposed to be mag-walk kami after dinner. Pero nagmadali kaming umuwi kasi, yun nga, he's at the restroom right now. So, yun. And, gusto niya ba ng, quick, room tour? Charot. So, yun nga. Ang ganap ngayon is, magpapahinga lang muna. Then, tomorrow na kami mag-iikot-ikot sa resort and station 2 and 3. Ayan. Pakita ko na lang kayo. Ayan. So, namili ako dito ng snacks namin. Though may complimentary water, bumili pa rin kami ng water. Since may ref na rin yung room. Snacks. Cream O. And Martis for him. Tapos, since nagtatai nga siya, guys, binilhan ko siya ng Hydro-Aid and Loperamide at the same time. So, yun. I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Babe, are you done? Is it a success or not? Is it? So, nilabas mo lang din ang kinain natin?
No. It's water.
Oh, it's water. Okay. You drink na this. Huwag mabilis dahan-dahan lang na pag-drink. So, yun guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day at Boracay. Bye!